Chris, can you dive into a bit more of the detail around the commerce business?
Yes, David. Our commerce business engages with clients around digital transformation, so typically systems of engagement. Maybe the best way for me to explain the commerce business is with a couple of client examples. So clearly there are two different kind of business models that we engage with clients on. Business to consumer, which tends to operate in the retail sector, and then business to business, which touches things like manufacturing, distribution, wholesale, for example, as well as other sectors. But if we look at the consumer side of the business, we recently launched a store for one of the UK's largest musical instrument retailers, a business called Anderton's Music. And we helped Anderton's in terms of move to the cloud and to implement a completely new user experience for their consumers. That solution runs on IBM Commerce, as I mentioned earlier, in the cloud, but it also connects and integrates into their store, so we provide click and collect type services. They have another location in terms of being able to collect from warehouse, as well as offering multiple delivery options through parcel carriers, local van services within the M25, and international deliveries as well.
Fantastic. So go for it.
So really, you've helped that client move from a physical high street store presence to additional services delivered to the customers via the cloud. Are there any other examples where you've helped partners with maybe use commerce as a different business model?
There is, yeah, absolutely. So we undertook a project just less than a year ago now with a business that was launching a new service and a new business model in the beauty and cosmetics sector. They looked at that marketplace and said, we need to disrupt and we need to be different. And so that particular business launched a subscription-based service, which there are many of those out there if we think back to things like Netflix, Fabletics, for example, where you pay a monthly fee and that gives you access to a product range, typically that you're having access to at a discount. In the case of Beauty Pie, who's the client, they came along with a membership scheme which gave their particular consumers access to their full product range, but at factory price rather than at retail list price.
I'm assuming sort of all of this now though is the real differentiator between an organisation. So I mean, when I go and buy stuff from a store, I'll often, the price is not my key driver now, it's the services that can go around that. It's can I go and get it, how quickly can I get it, you know, in what variations, can I go click and collect to my local, can I get it delivered next day, all those sorts of things. And I'm guessing that's what you guys are trying to enable in organisations.
It is very much. So part of that is an element of digital transformation. It's about connecting the back office systems and third parties, systems of record I think we were talking about previously, and connecting that to that systems of engagement. And so being able to promise at the glass and deliver at the doorstep.
Oh, I like that.
But also the convenience and the instant gratification of being able to collect that in store or at some local collection centre is the new battleground. And I think that's where the hearts and minds will be won this festive season.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much. Really, really insightful. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thanks David. Thanks Richard.